much. Sikubingelela mnumzane sikwamukele emsakazweni Vuma FM.
Ngiyabingelela nabalaleli bonke beVuma FM. Ngijabula kakhulu ukuthi sibe lana nani sivakashele la emhlanga.
Siyabonga kakhulu siphatheke kahle. Mhlambe nje kumuntu who is scattered all across the country, ofisa ukwazi ngelento uza ngoChatwell umgwaqo nane Mushroom Lounge awusichazele ngako ukuthi iqale kanjani and what is it all about.
Okay, thank you very much. Siyabonga kakhulu naleli thuba emsiphelweni nomasipala asiphe lona, Durban Tourism and other stakeholders. Okay, Chatsworth Drive, we call it a golden mile. A golden mile because it's one of the 3 if not 4 top streets in South Africa. Ekuyizona eziphethe ama-restaurants and the diversity of restaurants and prime restaurants. Next to us, Chatsworth Drive, khona ngenzansi nje Menira Way, the Oyster Box, which is a 5-star hotel, khona Beverly Hills, khona Ribs in Blue, khona Opels. So around us, we've got 5-star hotels. So internationally, this is one of the most lucrative and looked after miles corner eThekwini. So it's not we were humbled to find a spot in one of the busiest and also high placed areas ezweni as a Mushroom Lounge esikhona ukuthi sithole khona indawo yokuthi sidayisa ukudla kwethu nemenu yethu diverse. We were also proud to be one of the first black owners la emhlanga in this strip. And sibonga uNkulunkulu kakhulu imindeni yethu kanye nabalandeli abasilandelile basupported through and through. So Mushroom is a brand. It started a year ago. It's amazing how reception esayithola and support kubantu bakithi all over, from eTheku to KZN to all over the country. And sesi njalo umuntu sebheka ukuthi ayizazokuthista adle ukudla kwakithi. We introduced something called Disturb esasikhona ukuthi sithi let's have ukudla kwakithi nako in a prime space, at a prime spot, and la abantu khona be safe, abantu khona be relaxed, bakhona ukuthi bayidlela ukudla kwasemakhaya bakuthandayo. So we've got a diverse menu and Mushroom itholile support. So siqiniseka kakhulu ekudleni kwesintu kudliwa abantu abahlukene, ama-visitors, ama-China, abelungu, abantu bakithi, they're always here. But we tried ukuthi si-upscale ukudla kwakithi kube kuhle, kubukeke kukahle, kudleke kamnandi, sizama ukuletha i-consistency ukuthi umudla ujeqa, umudla idombolo, yonke into uyifice ibe khona.
Yeah. Ngaphambi sikuthetshela nje because of time, such events, do they play a role in boosting sales and making ukuthi Mushroom Lounge isebenze kahle njengoba nje sikuyona Durban July?
Big time. Ngiyazi ukuthi ukufika kwama-events afana no Durban July, kuthina as restaurateurs and people in business lana lokudla, it means a lot to us because we were expecting, we're getting calls and reservations, sesincane isitolo sesiwarede sizobabhukhela kuphi labantu, and most of them baqhamuka ngaphandle to come and experience our restaurant. So Durban July, national matches abakhona and big events later kuthina, for us we really appreciate it. It really it's a mind changer, it's a business changer, and sonke la kule strip, not only me but every restaurant that is here really appreciates such big events. Nobukhona benuke njengevuma.
Siyabonga kakhulu Vanessa Maranje ngobuzwa nje business is doing good here. All shout out to Durban Tourism and the business consortium ekhona ku Chatsworth besikhuluma nayo Mageza of Mushroom Lounge. Siyabonga
kakhulu.
Thank you, Vic.